Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnava Chintamani prakar sadmasu kalpa vriksha pritesu surabhirabhipalayantam Lakshmi sahasra satasam ramasripamanam Govindam adipurusham tamaham bhayami Venum kanvantam aravindadalayataksam Varahavatang samasitam buddhasundarangam I worship Govinda, the primal Lord, who is the cause of all causes. He is in the Chintamani Dham. Chintamani Dham means the place which is not made of earth and stone, but they are made of touchstone. Most probably you have heard the name of touchstone. Touchstone can turn iron into gold. So, the Lord's abode is made of touchstone, Chintamani. They are houses. And we have got our experience here in this world that houses are made of bricks. There, in the transcendental world, the houses are made of these Chintamani stone, touchstone. Chintamani prakara sadmasu kalpa vriksha. There are also trees, but those trees are not like this tree. The trees are kalpa vriksha. Here you can take one thing, one kind of fruit from one tree, but there, from the trees, you can ask anything and you get it, because those trees are all spiritual. That is the difference between matter and spirit. Chintamani prakara sadmasu kalpa vriksha lakhyabhritesu. Such kind of trees, there are many, not one or two. All the places are covered by all those trees. Chintamani prakara sadmasu kalpa vriksha lakhyabhritesu surabhirabhipalayantam. And the Lord is very much fond of cow herding. And the cows there, they are called surabhis. Surabhi cow means you can milk as many times and as much as you like. Surabhi Ravipalayantam and Lakshmi Sahasrasata Sambrahma Sripumanam. And the Lord is always surrounded by the goddesses of fortune, Lakshmi, Sahasrasata, not one or two, but hundreds and thousands of goddesses of fortune. They're always serving the Lord. And in this way, eternally, blissfully. The Lord is dwelling in his abode, which is called Chintamani Dham. Now how to start?